Did you know that exfoliating your skin just twice a week can lead to a radiant complexion? Whether you're struggling with dry patches or dull skin, stick around as we dive into everything exfoliation, including a special DIY lip scrub tutorial to get those lips soft and smooth. Welcome to today's video, where we'll talk about your essential role of exfoliation in your skincare routine. I'll be walking you through everything you need to know, from the best exfoliants to use for your skin type to a simple DIY lip scrub to keep your pout soft and smooth. Let's get glowing!
Welcome to the club, we're on this journey together. Find your inner glow, we'll be glowing forever. Welcome to the club, we're on this journey together. Find your inner glow, we'll be glowing forever.
Many of us struggle with dull or uneven skin, which can leave us frustrated, not knowing where to begin or what products to use. Acne scars, rough patches, enlarged pores, these are all common skin concerns, and oftentimes we feel like we're battling these issues alone. But trust me, exfoliation is a game changer. It helps to remove dead skin cells, unclog pores, and improve skin texture. Today, we'll break down how exfoliation can make all the difference for you. Let's talk about the different types of exfoliants out there. There are physical exfoliants like scrubs or brushes, which work by sloughing off the dead skin. Then we have chemical exfoliants like glycolic and salicylic acid dissolve the bonds between skin cells for smoother and brighter skin. And don't forget about enzyme exfoliants, which use natural ingredients like papaya or pineapple to gently break down dead skin. So how do you choose the right one for your skin? If you have sensitive skin, go for a gentle scrub or enzyme exfoliants. For oily skin, a chemical exfoliants with salicylic acid are fantastic for deep cleaning for your pores. We'll also discuss how to incorporate exfoliation into your routine safely to avoid irritation and to get the best results. Now, let's take a break from the skincare routine and jump into the DIY project. We're going to make a simple but yet effective lip scrub that will leave your lips feeling soft and exfoliated. All you need is 1 tablespoon of sugar for a gentle exfoliation, 1 tablespoon of honey for hydration, and a drop of olive oil for nourishment. So you want to mix the sugar, honey, and olive oil until you get like a paste-like consistency. So here's the DIY lip scrub that I created out of the sugar, honey, and olive oil. So let's get ready to apply it, okay? With the lip scrub, you can apply it with your hands, or you can use a tool like this, which is a lip scrub exfoliator that I purchased off of Amazon, if you can see it. It's double-sided. And for the sake of this video, I'm not going to use my hands to apply the lip scrub on my lips, but I'm going to use this exfoliator, which I think is really cool. It gives you that extra exfoliation touch, okay? I will leave the link down below in the comments if you're interested in purchasing it. Let's apply the lip scrub. I'm going to grab some of the scrub. As you can see, you can see. You're gonna grab a good amount. If you're using your fingers and your hands, you can just put on your finger tip. Alright, and you're gonna gently massage your scrub onto your lips in a circular motion for at least 30 seconds, okay? For about 30 seconds. That's all you really need is about 30 seconds. And it's okay if you get some of the scrub in your mouth because it's all natural ingredients. I like the way it tastes. Don't judge me. It tastes good, it's just very sweet. So that's why I like it as well too. So that's why it's okay if you get it in your mouth. Some of it in your mouth, which I definitely am. So like I said, it tastes good, so don't judge me, okay? Don't judge me here. Okay, so that's all you did. So now we're gonna rinse off the scrub with warm water, and then you're gonna follow up with your favorite lip balm. So here's the final results. My lips definitely feel soft and smooth, and I'm definitely gonna follow it up with my favorite lip balm. So I'll be back. I'm back. I've just finished applying my favorite lip gloss, which you can apply either a lip gloss or a lip balm, something that's gonna give your lips that hydration. And yes, I'm ready now for my kissable pout. And I hope you are too. The scrub not only exfoliates, but it nourishes your lips, as you can see, making them feel soft and smooth. It's perfect to use at least once a week for that kissable pout. Now, here's the key insight. While exfoliation is incredibly beneficial, it's all about finding the right balance. Over exfoliating can cause irritation, redness, and dryness. So make sure you're listening to your skin. Use exfoliation as a way to enhance your skin's natural radiance, not a quick fix. It's all about consistency and knowing when to step back. The right exfoliants for your skin type, combined with proper skincare, will reveal that healthy, glowing complexion we all crave. In summary, exfoliation is an essential part of your skincare routine, but it's crucial to personalize it to your needs. Whether it's physical, chemical, or a gentle enzyme exfoliant, listen to your skin and adjust accordingly. And don't forget, a DIY lip scrub is a great way to keep your lips soft and kissable. Drop a comment below telling me how you exfoliate and if you'll be trying the DIY lip scrub. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and to hit the notification bell so you never miss a skincare tip.
Keep on glowing forever.